Hello students, let's read this question. The runs scored by two teams A and B on the first 60 balls in a cricket match are given below. So we have three columns. First is number of balls, second is team A, team B, then third column is team B. So as we can see that this data is discontinuous data. So we have to first make the class interval continuous. So let's do it. But before that, let's continue the question. So we have to represent then the data of both teams on the same graph by frequency polygons. Hint, first make the class interval continuous. So yes, this is the hint that we have to make the class interval continuous. So let's first make the class interval continuous. So for that, we can write that the data given in the question is represented in the discontinuous class interval. So we have to make it the continuous class interval. So for that, we can clearly see the difference from 7 and 6 is 1. So we can write that the difference from next value to the previous upper value 6 is 1. So we get difference is 1. So taking half of 1, we subtract 1 by 2, which is equals to 0.5 from the lower limit and we have to add 0.5 to the upper limit. So then the table becomes, so table will become like this. So here we have subtracted 0.5 from the lower limit for each class interval. Similarly, we have added 0.5 in the upper limit of each class interval. Now from this, we can calculate the class marks. Class marks is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So what is lower limit in first case? Lower limit is 0.5 plus what is upper limit? Upper limit is 6.5 divided by 2. This will give us 7 by 2. So from this we get class marks as 3.5 in first case. So similarly, we can find out the class marks for rest of the class interval. So our data will be look like this. Now we have to represent the data of both the teams on the same graph by using frequency polygons. So we can represent this data using the frequency polygons like this. Here on x-axis we have mentioned the number of balls, and on y-axis we have mentioned the runs scored. And the red polygon is nothing but representing team B, and for blue colored polygon it is representing the team A. So this way we have represented the two polygons on the same graph for team A and team B. So hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.